Hey there, good evening from Causeway Bay, Hong Kong. So this is Lee Theatre at Lee Gardens, and I wanted to show you guys an add-on that has been fitted to these escalators here. So you have these handrail UV sterilizer. So it's a small component that uses UV light to sterilize the hand railing for this escalator. See there as well. So as per some scientific studies, UV light has been effective in killing germs and bacteria, and also there are some studies showing that UV light has the capacity to inactivate or kill the Covid-19 virus. That's why in most of the malls here in Hong Kong, you'll see these small components being attached to the escalator starting point, and this thing is continuously getting disinfected by this small component, handrail UV sterilizer. So I think it's a great move. It's one of the measures that Hong Kong has implemented citywide. They are doing whatever they can to control the spread of this virus in the city, and by far they have done a very great job, because if you see the numbers here in Hong Kong, we have close to 1,025 confirmed cases of COVID-19 patients, which is low, which is very low compared to other countries and cities. So that was a quick look at these small components, and it's not just here at the Lee Gardens or at the Lee Theatre. It's they have attached these small boxes virtually in every mall or every escalator in Hong Kong, throughout Hong Kong. So one of the precautions. Yeah, all right, so that was a quick one, and I hope you all are staying safe and taking all the precautions, and